I'm going to trim my plant. I already trimmed some of them, and after I trim some of these branches, instead of throwing in the trash in the yard waste, I'm going to use them other plant. I'm going to propagate them. So let me trim some more here. Let me cut some more branches right here. There are some of them taller than others. Alright, I got some. I already put some soil in the pot. So this pot is ready. And I also use honey, rooting it faster. To root it nicely, I cut some of the new shoot here, and then let me just cut these leaves. Perhaps only one leaf is enough, and then let me cut some of these knots here, so that the root will come out from this part right here. And then I put little honey. The honey, just I'm going to spray it out, and then I'm going to stick it in the soil. Same thing, it's very easy process. Basically, this is a yard waste, so I'm using this yard waste and put some of them here. Very easy, anybody can do it. Let's do this. One or two, and stick it here. Last one for now, at least. When I trim all of my English laurel right there, and I have some cherry laurel, I will not throw them. Either I will compost them or make some other trees. After I stick them in, I will put in the shade for about 2 weeks, maybe a little bit more than 2 weeks. I will make sure that the soil is not very dry. After about 2-3 weeks, I will check to see. Maybe I will just take one of them out to see if it has some roots. Alright, I will talk about the cost for each one. As I showed before, this is a honey. Perhaps it is less than 5 cents, and also soil, maybe 50 cents, and this pot maybe 10, maybe 25 cents, 10 or 10, 15 or 25, I don't know. And all the pieces I got for free from my front yard. So the total cost is about not more than $1. If I add labor cost, it will be around $1.50, not more than $2. Last year, let me show you. I did the same process. I used the same rooting medium, that is honey, organic honey, and then I stick them English laurel stem, and it became like this tree. And I sold altogether about 1,000. So if one is for $10, it was 10,000. So this tree, this small plant, is $10 each. Total cost is about, maximum cost is about $2, and then $8 is profit. So you can easily make money by selling plant, or basically yard waste. And the money I make from the plant sale, that money goes to non-profit called Life is Tech, what I do through Life as Tech is I teach children and youth about ecological awareness, how they can solve ecological problems, how trees help the environment, this kind of stuff. They also learn about how they can make money by doing good things. For example, selling plant, I think it's one of the best things. So this year too, I will be using the money I make by selling this plant. Of that money, it could go for ecological cause and also for entrepreneurial cause, meaning children will learn how they can become entrepreneurs in the future. Finally, I also want to talk a little bit about how it can be ecologically beneficial. That is, first of all, it makes my air beautiful. It helps reduce hot in hot weather. It gives shade. That's why trees are much more beneficial. There are many other benefits. For example, it gives us oxygen. So I will be talking more about why plants are helpful, how plant can help reduce climate change, and how it can impact climate change. I will be talking more in next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.